Hi there, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing okay. My subscribers, as usual, big virtual hug to you. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, welcome. A big virtual hug, and please do not forget to subscribe. I really would like to to thank everyone who is watching my videos. Thank you so much. And remember to share, because sharing is caring. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can extract avocado oil from avocado itself. Now, I know most of you are probably wondering, you could easily walk into a grocery store and buy avocado oil. I actually discovered recently that what we buy from the shelves is not pure. It's not 100% avocado oil. And when I started making my own avocado oil, it has changed so much. Like, my life has changed, so much has changed, and I can even see the difference in how the oil is working, both for my skin and for my hair. So to make avocado oil, you just need avocado, an avocado fruit that is ripe like this. So this is our fruit. So what I'm going to do, it is already washed. Just make sure your avocado fruit is washed, and then make sure your avocado is really ripe. Okay, this seed, the seed is also good, so we should not throw your seed away. You can use it for later. So what happens after you finish cutting? You just scoop your avocado like this, like so. It works best with avocado that is ripe. Just make sure your avocado is ripe. And many times when we see the avocado is so ripe, because it tends to develop, it tends to darken, and that's the time when you're tempted to throw it away. Personally, when I see any discoloration on any fruit, I cannot eat it. Like, it's so hard for me to. So this is when it's perfect to use it for making your oil. So this is what we are going to do. So now I'm taking this off. So what happens? It's good to use avocado that is really ripe, because it's going to make it easy for you. You see, I don't waste. It's going to make it easy for you to crush. So our next step is we are going to crush this. Make sure you crush this into, make a paste really. You make a paste and spread it. Make sure you get something that has a wide surface like this, and then you're going to crush it and spread it. Now you have two options. You can either keep this paste, this avocado paste, avocado mash, okay? You can put it under the oven so that it can not cook it, but it should be like drying, really, like when you're putting it out in the sunshine. So what I do is, I'm patient, so I give it time. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this out in the sunshine, and friends, it takes a couple of days, and I'll be showing you what happens every stage, so that you see the difference or the stages of how I'm finally going to extract oil from this avocado paste. So what happens as you put this paste out in the sunshine? It begins to discolor. It begins to darken, and you make sure that you keep turning it and you keep So with that, I'll end the video here. I'm taking this out in the sunshine, but I'll be updating you on every stage. So keep watching so that you don't miss out to see that wonderful avocado oil. Okay guys, so welcome back. Remember, I'm showing you how you can extract avocado oil from avocado. And like I said, that this oil is actually very, very good for your skin. And one of the things is that the oils that we have nowadays in shelves, in supermarket shelves, are not really 100% as they claim. And truly, if you're just looking for oil that you're going to use for your personal use and for family, why not do it by yourself? It's very easy. I mean, you're not looking at a large quantity. But at the end of the day, remember, it's the quality of the oil that matters. So we took some time to dry the oil, so to dry the avocado itself. So this is how it looks like, okay? Some time. And again, do not over dry it, because if you over dry it, then you're not going to be able to extract oil. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you how I'm going to extract oil from this. Okay, guys, you can see already my hand is becoming oily. Okay, and that tells you that avocado has oil. So it's not a lot, but what I do is every time I go shopping for my grocery, I'll pick some avocados, one or two avocados, eat some, and then keep some for just extracting oil. So I always have a constant supply of avocado oil. I usually use it for my skin, for my face, really, and it's doing a great job. It's doing a beautiful job with my face. So what you now begin to do is, now you see I'm now tying this into a ball, okay, and I can even feel that the oil is almost coming out. Guys, just look at this. You see the oil? So what I'm going to do, I'm now going to squeeze my oil in this small bowl, because it's not a lot, but I just want you to see the magic here, guys. Can you see that, guys? Can you see this oil, guys? Can you? Look at this oil. See how rich this oil is. Just see how rich this oil is. This is pure avocado oil. This is oil you will not even find on any shelf, on any supermarket shelf, because what they do, the commercialized ones, cannot guarantee you 100% avocado oil. So you just need to be patient, keep squeezing, keep extracting your oil, and that's it. So you can see I'm trying to extract my oil, but you can just look at all these, guys. This is all oil. So you just need to be patient, and like I said, you're not doing it for commercial purposes. You're doing it for your own personal use. So why not do it? Why not extract your oil by yourself? And especially if you have a sensitive skin, then you know what oil you're applying on your skin. Because I know people who react, they'll tell, oh, I applied this oil, they said it was pure organic avocado, or it was some natural oils, and look, my skin has my skin has broken out. So usually these are some of the reasons why you end up getting issues with your skin, because one, the oil that you're using may not be 100% as they claim. So what really matters is you should be able to you should be able to use some energy, of course. You see what I'm doing, guys? Use energy. Okay, so use energy and extract as much oil as you can, like what I'm doing. You can see, guys. And if you have a bigger fruit, a bigger avocado fruit, then you should be able to extract a little bit more oil, just like so. So guys, I'm not going to take you through, like, to make you see how much, but I'm still going to go ahead and continue with squeezing this. But look at this. You see this oil? Can you see? This is pure avocado oil. And like I already told you, I usually keep adding every time I go to the grocery shop. I'll pick. So this is pure avocado oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to transfer my oil here in this small container. And then, so that is what I do basically, guys. Just see. Look at this. Look at this. This is authentic oil. You see that? Pure oil. You know what you're applying on your face. You know what you're using. And that's it, guys. You can see this is real oil. You see? Even if I just do this, you look at this. You see this? This is real oil. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and I have taken you through how you can make your own cold pressed avocado oil. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up, like the video. Remember, when you like, you help YouTube to suggest my video. And please share this video with your friends, with your loved ones. Remember, sharing is caring. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, welcome, a big virtual hug. Please do not forget to subscribe. And my subscribers, you know how we do it. A big virtual hug. And I hope that now you can make your own cold pressed avocado oil from home. So see you in my next video. Keep watching. Bye-bye.